gonna show you what is my things in the table. This is some cups, 2 cups, and this is, this one is a Play-Doh because the Play-Doh stays in the Play-Doh can, and it will become softer. And you need to have a cover. You cover it so it will be keep and safe, and it will not be lost. Remember, no eating Play-Dohs because that's just a toy. Okay? And let's start my play set. This is the roof, but do not use it. Okay. You can put this in here and hey, what's this? Okay, here becomes the mold in here, but I think on this, I'll choose this one. What's this? This one. I will choose that one. It looks like a bat. Okay, ready. You just roll that Play-Doh into like a hot dog, You just roll the Play-Doh and put it in here in this hole, and you push this down hardly, and it will come out. Sorry, it's heavy. Okay, everybody, let's get this off. Okay, you need to get all the Play-Doh inside here. Okay. Now watch closely, everybody, and watch carefully. Ouchie. Ouch. You just put the Play-Doh again in here, and you press it. Press it. Okay, you just take this off for a second, right? And I want you to get this off, please. Okay. Yeah, it sure is. Ouch. Yeah, it sure is hard to get it, but I can do it. Oh. Where's that? Okay, here it is. And you just pick this up in here. Okay. Watch closely, everybody. And this is my mold set. And you get this out because it's not allowed to be here. Okay. Watch closely. You're watching closely, everyone? You're watching closely. You can stay in my store. If you are not, you can get out of my store now. Okay, here's this one is, and I'm gonna use this mold to decorate it now. But I better get this Play-Doh stuck in here. Sure is hot. Gee, it's very hot in here. I'm getting sweaty. So heavy. Okay, you just use this Play-Doh and you just roll it to a ball, and I will put that in here and press. Watch closely, okay? Watch this. It's gonna be cool. You know that you see 3 molds, right? Okay, I'm ready to put it on. Okay, watch closely. If I show you this one, you will be happy, okay? Right? Right, everybody? Okay, this is always ready and I can hey, I'm ugly. I'll just start again. Nice, right? Here's the happy face. You just take the sides off. Looks like a batch. And you just put it in there. Huh? Hello, I'm a doggy, but I'm not a doggy, I'm a man. I'll be Jessica. Okay. Yummy. And you just, just put this little Play-Dohs and roll it to a ball and put it in here. It's very exciting. If your mommy buy this, it will be your kids will be very happy. Are you watching? Are you watching carefully, everybody? Okay, just put it. I'm gonna make a lot of this molds, Just finish this. I'm gonna make a doggy and it's very cute. But doggies do not stand, right, everybody? They just do like that. Okay. So just put 2 more. You just put it in here, okay. And you just go up and press it. Press. Ouch. And let's see if it works. I hope it works. Yay, it worked. It looks like it's not pretty than my other ones. Okay. You just take the sides off. Oh no. I better try again. Bye everybody and thank you for watching. Mwah!